dip my wick anyway, not scared about what some people say. Piling the bodies in her wake, tonight might be my lucky break. How can I feel so good about this mistake? Tenderize me, hammer me down, slap me like a piece of chicken. She gets close to me and my pulse does quicken. Take me into your smothering arms, love me with those vicious charms. I'll give you all I got to give, yet still you beg for more. Wrap me up with a bow, leave me frozen in the snow. Give me hope, then let it go, that love can feel so good. I'm stuck in the mud, she drains out my blood. She's a pile driver, lost in the woods, stripped of my goods. She's a pile driver, now that she seems, feeding on my dreams. She's a pile driver, gets what she needs, leaves you lost in the weeds. She's a pile driver. I didn't know how lost I was, I could not read the signs. I ignored the things that hurt me, my road was paved with mines. I lost my inner compass, I abandoned all my friends. I turned my back on family, I could not make amends. What used to matter don't make much sense. My spirit guide can't pay the rent, can't turn the page 'cause I sold the book. I haven't got a cent. All I can see is straight ahead. The voices are talking, which I ignore. Many try to save me, but I show them all the door. My heart feels tired, my head confused. I'm guilty of the crimes accused. The more I sleep, the less I rest. Oh Lord, I've been misused. I'm guilty of the things I desire. I freely walk into the fire. Everyone can see the danger but me. I'm singing to the choir. Everyone knows a thing or two about you. Gonna make me bleed, gonna make me need, gonna lose control while you steal my soul. I don't care what they say, gonna dip my wick anyway. I got no interest in what some people say. Stepping around, bodies in a wake, tonight will make my body ache. I feel so good about this mistake. Wrap me up, make it a show, leave me fearing the powers below. Give me hope, then let it go. Love don't feel so good.